चीफ कमिश्नर इनकम टैक्स तेलंगाना वसुंधरा सिन्हा ने सिटी आर्म रिजर्व हेडक्वार्टर्स पेटलापुरुष में खातून मुलाजिमीन पुलिस के बच्चों के लिए कायम एक क्रीची का इफ्तिताह किया और वुमेन्स क्रिकेट मैच का मुशाहिदा किया। तेलुगु फिल्मी अदाकारा एम लक्ष्मी मेहमान खुसूसी थी। कमिश्नर पुलिस अंजनी कुमार और एडिशनल कमिश्नर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर DS चौहान और दूसरे आला अहदेदार भी इस मौके पर मौजूद थे।
Come on. All right. Okay. Can I start now?
Yeah.
Okay then. It is a real honor for me to be here this morning and to celebrate and open a beautiful kids center for our police women who have children, to have a facility to take care of them. Hats off to Hyderabad Police for creating such a space for our children. And I want to thank the police officers, Commissioner Garu, Srinivas Garu, for Commissioner Anjani Kumar Garu and IPS Srinivas Garu for inviting me here today. It was a real honor to be here with Vasundhara Sinha ji and to really celebrate women in the police forces on this Women's Day. Thank you.
Every child's success story starts here, like a multifaceted diamond. Every student who steps into Success School shines with brilliance, sculptured by teachers polished to perfection.
If opportunity does not knock, I will build a door.
To us, success comes in cans, not in can'ts.
Success is falling 9 times, getting up 10.
Some people dream of success, others put their heart and soul into working for it.
Success, finding oneself.